So guys, we actually hit a full TP on this trade, and remember, all right, like I told you guys, this is actually on which day? If you look at it, is day 5. All right. So at this level, remember, I'm expecting price to actually run this low out, or this level that we have here. So I'm going to be patient to wait if we're going to be having a reversal pattern from this level or this level. But we actually hit TP on our third trade, and we are still holding this trade. All right, this is our fourth trade on this challenge. Okay, this is our fourth trade. So I'm expecting price to actually maybe break out of this level of resistance that we have here, break out and maybe give us a retest. If that happens, I'll know that okay, I'm going to be more confident on this trade to actually hit our TP. Now let's look at the Euro USD trade, guys. Now this Euro USD is one of the things that is most tough to experience, all right, as a trader. And why is it that tough to experience? Imagine you be on a profit to a very huge level. Can you guys see that? So we took this trade on this particular day. All right, so let me still mark the numbers of days and tell you guys why I'm still holding this trade. At this level, we have this shift of market structure. This is our day 1. We have price give us, but it was not a proper clean, but this is where we saw the reversal sign. And on day 2, price broke structure properly, which was yesterday, and price got all the way to this level, creating this low that we see here. All right, but see what price is now doing. Pull back, and it's almost coming back close to our entry, but I'm still floating in profit anyway. But because we are doing set and forget challenge, guys, we do not move our stop loss, neither do we adjust stop loss to break even. All right, so we float in profit all the way to this level, but price is going back, but we still expecting price to come either to our take profit or hit our SL, because that's the purpose of the challenge. As you can see here, is set and forget challenge, TP or SL. All right, so we are either going to be hitting take profits or we're going to be hitting stop lose on this challenge. And that is why this very trade here, I was able to hold this trade from the point of entry. We saw price give us a good profit, few pips to our take profit, but I did not close. Price went back to this level and I still hold the trade, but we saw that we hit take profit just this morning. All right, so that is the idea behind this contest. Set and forget, meaning if we take a trade, the moment we took that trade is either going to be TP or SL. All right, so we hit TP on this one, and we're going to be watching our Euro GBP, all right, which is the current active trade that we have at the moment. All right, current active trade we have at the moment. All right, so we saw the reversal sign here, day 1, day 2, day 3, and this is like day 4, and today is day 5. So guys, I don't know, but we're still holding. All right, we're still going to be holding this trade, hoping we see price come and take away this structure, and boom. So this is our 4th trade. Now guys, if you are just seeing this video, we are doing a trading challenge, all right, in this month of October, which I'm going to be calling trade, and I'm also going to be explaining why I took those trade. And our first trade on this challenge, this is our 2nd trade. All right, this is our 2nd trade, and let me show you our first trade on this challenge. Is GBP and ZND. No, it was not NZD. This was a setup I was actually hoping for, but I forgot it. That was the trade we just closed now. It's GBP CHF. So this was our first trade. All right, our first trade on this challenge. As you guys can see here, we took a buy and we hit TP, and we are expecting another trade from this setup to actually play out around this level. We mark this and we're waiting for price to actually react from this level, which price is giving us, but we want to see a breakout of this level. All right, a breakout with a body, then a retest to any of this level, then we can actually jump on a buy trade and do 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio on this trade, and our stop loss will just be around somewhere here. All right, and take profit just above that level. So that is what we're actually looking at for this trade. So we want to see a body of candle breaking out of this level, giving us a head and neck shoulder pattern and a retest, then we can buy and target this level. So I'm still waiting for this trade to be our 5th trade on this challenge. If this played out, to be our 5th trade on this challenge. Waiting for confirmation. See now, so this is what we're waiting for on this trade to give us a 5th entry. You can even still enter this trade aggressively from this level, but it will be proper if we have a structural shift, a retest, and boom. So guys, I don't want the video to be too long. It's already a long video, but follow me while I still wait for Euro USD to give us what we're looking for, which is TP, and this was our 2nd trade, and we're still waiting for GBP NZD, which is our 4th trade. So we hit take profit in already 2 trade already, and we've taken 4 trade on this challenge. So we hit take profit on GBP CHF, which was our 1st trade, and our 3rd trade was GBP SND. We hit take profit, and our 2nd trade is Euro USD, and 4th trade this GBP Euro GBP. So these are the 2 trades that are left on this challenge. So guys, let's see what happened. All right, so if you're following me, let's learn together, make money together in this month of October.